Make sure to subscribe, comment, like. Babe, there's probably gonna be like the eating sound in the background.
You're definitely right. Hold on.
City girl, we won't know by everyone. We just wanna have some fun. What's up, guys? It's your girl Nikki, and I'm back with another video for this week.
And as y'all could see, this is looking rough. This is just how it's been for I think a month now. How long we've been on quarantine? For a month and a week. No motivation to get ready, no motivation to look nice, and it's like, for what, you know, if I'm not gonna go anywhere. Sometimes you just gotta do it so you could probably feel different. You could probably feel more positive with more energy for the rest of the day. I'm about to do a get ready with me video, and I'm gonna fix my face. I'm gonna get my makeup done. And I'm kind of lit right now. That's about it. And it's taking me so long to say this. Okay, so I already have applied the primer. I used the baby skin primer. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply concealer on the bottom instead of on the top. The MAC concealer, the 24-hour wear. If you know me from my high school days, I went through this whole makeup phase, and it's just crazy. Out of nowhere, I was just like, nah, like, makeup ain't valid. I felt like my natural face was just better, so I stopped using makeup. But sometimes I still put it on, cause why not? I think I put too much concealer. Oh, I walled out. Is that I haven't done makeup in a minute, so that's why I'm like, ¿qué estoy haciendo? Okay, now that I blended that in, I'm gonna go in with my Becca foundation. I'm gonna put it on my hand like that, and I'm gonna yo, I don't even know if this is my skin tone anymore. Yo, vamos a ver. Damn, I'm tired. Is that I'm using my phone when I should be using a mirror. This big ass mirror. This is gonna be a natural beat, and honestly, I don't do anything more than that. Next step is contouring. And I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild contour. Let me use this brush. I'm gonna spray a little bit. Oh, what y'all see me spraying is the Urban Decay, but not really because it's just water in it. Now let me use my mirror. You're bugging. This is critical. I mean, it's been a long time, but I think I still got it. I don't know, je ne sais, let's see. And then we'll put it in my... Yo, and y'all could see the extra weight that this quarantine is bringing me. Like, I've been trying to not OD, pero tú sabes, la cosa está rara. So I'm just eating and eating and eating. I'm gonna put it up here too, because this gives your forehead an illusion. That's big forehead, ladies. Put some a little bit up there. Start baking. Start baking with my Too Faced. Is that my eyes don't get red, so like...
No. I got something that'll get your eyes red, don't worry.
So the blush that I used was my Chanel blush. This is the GRWM, this little thing. It's called the 10-second challenge. You see how sometimes I say stuff and you'll be like, oh, that's unnecessary. The 10-second rule is that if you see something on someone and they can't change it in 10 seconds, then don't say it.
They can't change it about themselves?
In 10 seconds. Like, let's say, like, oh, you have something in your teeth. They could change that in 10 seconds. But let's say, oh, you have a big-ass pimple on your head. They can't change that in 10 seconds. Okay. So, like, you see how I be saying unnecessary things sometimes? It's because I really don't think about it. So, like, I'm going to do that rule. So I don't say unnecessary.
Wait, explain that whole shit again.
So now I'm up to highlighting.
Hope that's not too much.
There's no mirror. So now that that's done, I don't think I'm gonna do my brows. Maybe just tweeze them a bit, but that's about it. Yo, it's like I forgot how to do makeup. Well, I'm proud of myself, and this is hella cute. If you guys been watching Netflix and stuff during this quarantine, I don't know if you guys ever heard of Midnight Gospels. Yo, what a show. It's like shows like that and like Rick and Morty. Like, they low-key, the graphics are like insane. Like, the story of the graphics or of the illustration of what's happening is always so insane. And then if you actually listen to them talk, it's like, whoa, they talking about some real life shit. I just don't like how short this one is. But whatever. Okay, so I finished putting the eyelashes on. This is as good as it's gonna get. So now we're gonna move on to hair. I'm gonna redo the same hairstyle, but just like with baby hairs, so it could be like a bit cleaner. I'm gonna get your little hair out on the side. My edge booster be holding my edges down, like keep my edges in place throughout the whole day. Look, babe.
You a good picture.
That's a badass picture. This is the final look. So, how do you think I did?
I feel like it's 11 out of 10.
Guys, look, I did his hairline. Show them. It's not that bad. Show the back, show the back. Hey.
You don't include that part.
What? Babe, there's probably gonna be like the eating sound in the background.
You're definitely right. Hold on.
Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.